Hello and welcome in the Bloggle editor. So I just created a new article and I picked a template. So I've landed on the editor with some existing content. And by the way, I would recommend you to give a try to some of our templates. I'm pretty sure it can give you some ideas on how you should format your blogs to improve reading experience. So the editor you see here is composed of two parts. On the left, you have all the sections and the content, and on the right, you have the preview. I will unzoom to make it easier to read. If you notice that the preview is not showing, don't worry and contact our support by clicking on this button. You will also be able to use the support as an help to answer all your questions that you could have on the Bloggle tool. So now let's update our first section. So let's say I want to update the first section in my article. I can click on it from the preview, and on the left, I will have the content that I can edit. So I will change the text, my new introduction, and it will show the result on the right. Within each section, you will also be able to click on styling to update prebuilt style like backgrounds, borders, and you can also use these elements to update the margins and the padding of your sections. Now let me show you some actions you can do by hovering the different section. You can hide a section, you can duplicate a section, and if you want, you can also remove one. You can do this action on the left, but you can also do the same actions on the right by clicking on the small actions tab that will open when you hover a section. You can also, if you are on specific sections, you can update the section type. You can merge and split some section into another ones. Okay, so now you know how you can work with existing sections. Let's see how you can add a new section. Click on Add Content button here. You will see a list of existing sections you can use to create the best content for your readers. So let's say I want to add an heading. I click on it and it will add it to the preview. My new title, I type on the left, and again, I see the result on the right. Let's say I'm happy with my content. Now I can preview the results on different screen size, like tablet and phones. And I can also update my article settings. I can update the SEO title and description. I can schedule my blog, and I can update all the Shopify settings like article title, summary, author. I can change the blog category. I can add a feature image. And once I'm satisfied with the result, I will be able to publish my article. Just before publishing my content, I will show you a feature that I'm sure you will love. This is the SEO scoring tool. So if you click on the score, you will be able to add an SEO target keywords, and then the tool will automatically give you some advice and things you need to solve if you want to rank on this specific keyword. Okay, so now we are done with this article. Let's publish it. First, I will click on Save as Draft. Once I click on Save, it will save all my content within the Bloggle database. And if I click now on Publish on Shopify, all the content will be pushed to your Shopify store, and the article will be ready to be read on your online store. If you click on this button, you will be able to see a preview of your new article.